What's going on, everyone? Mitesh here, and guys, it has been a minute since I last made a video, so please forgive me if I'm a little rusty at this, but today we're going to be checking out a very cool product. These right here, these are the Pixel Buds A-Series True Wireless Earbuds from Google. So these, as you heard from the name, the A-Series, means that they are the more budget-oriented True Wireless Earbuds from Google. So these are $99 compared to the Pixel Buds 2, which are $180. So today we're going to be checking these out and seeing if these are actually worth the money. Alright, so we're going to start off by taking a look at first what comes inside of this thing. I've already done the unboxing of this, and what you get inside of it, of course, is the True Wireless Earbuds themselves in this pretty awesome little case. You get a USB-A to USB-C cable, and actually a pretty lengthy one. Like most of these True Wireless Earbuds, like if you get like some of the cheaper ones, they give you like a 1 foot cable. This is like a full like 3.3 feet, 1 meter cable that comes with it. Of course, you get a little bit of documentation, and then you get a very tiny box, which I have dropped, with 2 additional pair of ear tips. So a total of 3 pairs of ear tips, which is pretty good. I mean, you'll get your normal medium, large, and then small. The medium ones are already on these earbuds, but I definitely encourage you to check out all the different ones just to make sure it fits right for you. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is what makes these True Wireless Earbuds different from the Pixel Buds 2. Like, what did they actually cut to hit the price point, which is almost half? And honestly, it's not much. So the first thing that they cut was wireless charging on this case. Now, wireless charging to me is one of those features that's really, really convenient on True Wireless Earbuds. Like, you just plop these down on a wireless charger, forget about it, and they're usually topped up within just a few minutes. Honestly, I mean, like 20, 30 minutes, they'll be like 100%. That's one of those really nice things because these things have, tidy batteries and they just get filled up really quickly. So wireless charging is a very convenient feature, but honestly, saving half the money and not getting wireless charging, not that big of a deal to me. So wireless charging is definitely something I can leave off because wired charging is always going to be faster anyways. And if you're someone who uses an Android phone, you probably have a whole bunch of USB-C cables lying around your house anyways. So not a big deal, but that is one of the first things that they cut. The other things that they cut were minor things like wind reduction. Like, that's something that the Pixel Buds 2 have baked in and these don't. I haven't personally noticed anything, though I've not been outside too much because there was a heat wave here in Seattle. So I will be testing these more in my full review, but right now I have not noticed anything. And since I haven't tried the Pixel Buds 2, I can't say that these are any worse. And pretty much that's kind of the only features they cut. The biggest feature that they cut to me is the fact that, other than wireless charging, is the fact that they cut volume control on the earbud. So previously on the Pixel Buds 2, you could swipe up or down to control the volume on the earbuds. Here, there's just no option for that, and you just don't have it. And I'm not saying that it wouldn't be possible to do this, but they just for some reason have cut it on this device. So that's just something to know. And yeah, that's what makes these half the price. Now, if you ask me, these are definitely just much more value than the Pixel Buds 2. At $99, it just makes more sense to buy these over the Pixel Buds 2. So yeah, that is these compared to the Pixel Buds 2. But now let's talk about these themselves, because I've had these for about a week now, and I want to give you guys my first impressions of them. I gotta be honest with you guys, when it comes to True Wireless Earbuds, I think the case kind of makes or breaks the True Wireless Earbud experience for me. And I gotta tell you, the case on these is just fantastic. Like, this shape, it's not conventional. Like, it is this little egg shape basically, but then it's flat on the sides. Like, this fits really well into pockets and things like that. But it's got this flip up case, which this is probably one of the most satisfying things to do. And as soon as you open it up, it goes ahead and starts putting these into a pairing mode. You can see the light turns on. And then what's cool about these is, of course, they have Google's Quick Pair, which is very similar to how iOS and AirPods work, in that you just open this up near your phone, and you will get like a little pop-up asking you to compare them up. Now, I've already paired these up, so they're not giving the pop-up, but if I hold down the button to put them into pairing mode, then they'll pop up, if you guys can see, with this little Pixel Buds A and asking you to connect to them. So I'll hit connect and asking you to set up, and then the setup will start. So these, compared to other True Wireless earbuds, are just like super easy. You can see they're already paired up and everything, and they're ready to go. And what's cool is they're tied to your Google account. So if you have more than one Android device, if you have an Android tablet, which I don't know, maybe you do, or if you have more than one Android phone like I do, what's cool is you can open these up, and then on those other Android phones, if you're signed in, you get a little pop-up saying, hey, these are available. These are a pair of devices that you've had connected before that are available to you if you want. And you click on the notification, and you can quickly connect these up without having to disconnect from the other phone. Now, that's awesome. One feature I really wish these had versus like that feature of quickly being able to switch devices is I wish they just had multi-device support. Like, this is something that true wireless earbuds just seem to have a hard time having this feature. Unlike, for whatever reason, these right here, the Jabra Elite 75Ts, they're one of the few true wireless earbuds that actually have this multi-device support versus these. But so it's not a killer that it doesn't have it. I love the fact that I can quickly switch just by clicking the notification that comes up on an Android phone. But yeah, I do kind of wish it just supported more than one device at the same time. Like if I can connect these to my phone and my laptop at the same time, that will be clutch. These don't support it, but yeah. So since no other true wireless earbuds support it, I'm not really docking them points for it, just something to know. Yeah, so the case to me is fantastic. The pairing mechanism is really good. Next up, let's talk about comfort. Now, comfort is very subjective. These are the kind of earbuds that go inside of your ears. And for me, I found that the medium tips were just a little too large, but these small tips fit just perfectly. Like they just nestle right in. And they do a pretty good job of like passively blocking out sound. So if you are looking for that kind of thing, that's good. They have no transparency mode or anything like that. No noise canceling either. So it's not gonna block out any noise that's coming in, like actively block out anything. And you're also not gonna be able to hear anything like super well. Although they don't block out a ton of noise, so I can still pretty much hear myself. But when I'm playing stuff, it is really hard to kind of hear outside noise. Now what's cool is they do have the auto pause, so when you take them out of your ear, it will automatically pause whatever's playing so you can, you know, listen to whoever's talking or whatever it is that you're trying to do by taking out your ear. And then once you put it back inside, it'll automatically start playing again. So that is pretty cool. In terms of controls, it's actually pretty limited. Like they do have all the controls I want except for volume on these, but you can't change any of them. So the way it works is in each of the earbuds, they're worked independently of each other. A single tap will play and pause. A double tap will go forward. A triple tap will go back, and the long press will bring up your assistant. And then it also has a cool feature of where if you get a notification, you can long press, then it will read the notification to you and things like that. So that's pretty nice. Volume control is the one thing I really wish it had, / I really wish you could customize the controls. For example, if I want to set the triple tap, if I want to set like the single tap the volume or something, if I could just do it, that would be great, but it's not really an option. In fact, if you go inside the app, there's no option to change them. They'll just tell you about them and that's it. Like there's a place for controls, but it just tells you about them. I just kind of wish they were customizable. Yeah, that's it. All right, so somehow I've gotten this far into the video without talking about sound quality on these true wireless earbuds. So let's talk about that next. Now, in terms of sound quality, these are not anything amazing. To me, they sound really good. Like they sound really good. I enjoy listening to music on these so far, but they aren't like the super bass heavy like some people would want. They don't have like a very distinct sound. It's pretty flat. The highs are really present and the lows are, I mean, they're there, but there's even actually a bass boost mode in the app, so you can turn that on. I haven't really done that. I just listened to it on the straight profile, and the bass is there. It's not gonna blow your mind or anything like that, but it's pretty good. And the mids are there, but they're still not that great. So I need a little bit more time to test these out with some more music and some more podcasts and things. But so far, first impressions, I would still say these are a solid pair of true wireless earbuds for music. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my first impressions. I actually honestly think that Google has kind of a hit on their hands with these true wireless earbuds. They're not amazing in any single category, but they have like key features that make true wireless earbuds good. First of all, this case, just absolutely fantastic. No wireless charging, but still they're really, really nice case. The fact that it pairs up really quickly to any Android phone is a really nice feature. And yeah, those are two things that I know they seem small. Like the sound quality is also really good. Those first two features though, even though they're really small, kind of make or break true wireless earbuds because it's all about convenience with these things. Like it's really not about the best sound quality, the best listening experience, because if you want that, you're gonna plug in wired headphones. You're not gonna use Bluetooth headphones anyways. But for what you're getting, these are actually really good. So yeah, with that, that's pretty much it for the first impression video. I will be doing a longer review on these very soon, and I'll also have reviews on a couple of other true wireless earbuds, like for example, these right here, the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros. I've had these for a while. Have not had a chance to do a full review since I've not been making videos for a while, but I will be getting to this. If you guys are interested in this, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. That's what I do. Yeah, bye.